Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Rosa.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Saif. How are you?
Hello, Rosa. How are you?
Slow start for me for this week.
Can you guys hear me? Because last time I was facing some technical issues.
Yes.
Yeah, you hear me well? Rosa,
Yes.
I think you're muted.
Rosa, I cannot hear you.
Hello. Today, Rosa is having the technical issues. So, hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Chat and Chart. This is the New York session, and this is your host Saif QADDOURA with the promising Rajdeep that has been killing it for the past few weeks. Hello Shishir, hello Meza, hello everyone. Let's wait for okay, they can hear us. Let's wait for Rosa to log back in before we start. So how was your trading last week, Rajdeep?
Yeah, last week was like the best weeks so far since 2026.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, but this week it's very good.
Rosa's here.
Yes, again.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. Yeah.
I was asking Rajdeep how was his trading week was, and he was saying that last week or this week has been his best trading week of 2026. What about you?
Maybe the worst.
Maybe the worst.
Seriously, yesterday was a pretty bad day. Nothing spectacular. So within the limits, 4% down.
1 second, something is off with the sound. We're hearing you twice.
Oh yes, is it me?
Yeah.
Now, are you listening? Okay.
Yeah, all good.
Okay, good. So yeah, I was saying nothing awful. It was 4% down, but the problem is not this 4%, which is fine. That's within the limits, but I haven't been in sync with the market since yesterday, and I wasn't able to be on sync again. So something actually weird, but and unexpected.
To me, it happens. This kind of stuff happens.
I know.
It happened to me last month, so that's totally normal. We can't be making money every single month, otherwise nothing will be left for the other people, no?
Yeah, but I don't like it still.
Yeah, nobody does. So basically what you're saying here, guys, you lost to Rajdeep. You had your worst trading week, and he had...
No, I lost to everyone during March.
He had the best.
He had the best and you had the worst. So whatever money you lost, he made.
Yeah.
Rajdeep, those are the big trader. You should be making a lot of money. You should be rich by now.
And I'm still waiting for my $50. That's the reason. So.
Yeah. Remember? Yeah, exactly.
Oh God.
Okay, so you guys, did you take any trades today?
No, I'm still watching.
Nothing. I took one trade.
You took one?
Yeah.
Gold?
Yeah, but it's like it's a very low probability trade. I risked very little on this one, but it's a 1 to 27. So if it works, then it would be worth it. But if it doesn't, I didn't lose much. I'm risking 0.5% on this one. Let me show you. 1 second. I miss the monster trades. I haven't been like I've been trying to catch one since the beginning of the year with no luck. Okay, so here it is. So I sold at 35.2 with stops above yesterday's high at 872, targeting 3,835. So yeah, 3,835. Did I say that right the first time? Yeah. So I'm trying to get like a monster trade, as I said, but like it might not work. It's, as I said in the beginning, it's a low probability trade, hence the very, very, very big risk reward ratio. So let's wait and see. Like I'm not in a hurry. I'll be waiting for it to drop, because let me give you my rationale. So okay, we've been dropping for the past, I don't know, like since the end of January, and now we got rejected from the 200-day moving average. And here, like if you look at the momentum of the drops, they're much, much faster than the moves to the upside, which means that the impulsiveness is heading downwards, not upwards. So that's my first reasoning. All right. So the second of all is, if you draw a trend line, you're still below the 50-day moving average, and we saw a bearish candle last night, close bearish. So we're minimum going to 750. It might reject from here and go to the upside, but I doubt. Why? Fundamentally speaking, now the markets are celebrating the ceasefire, and markets are celebrating the presumed end of war. But in my opinion, it didn't really end. And even if it did end, the pain from that war is much, much bigger than markets can imagine. Now, we woke up today on new all-time highs on the S&P, new all-time highs on NASDAQ. By the way, I remember the NASDAQ trade from last week. It took profit yesterday. So yeah, it didn't catch my entry while we were on the live stream. It did after like a couple of hours after we closed the stream. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. I was saying that markets are way too optimistic currently, because now what caused the US dollar to go up, which like made the gold go down, it's the high energy prices or high oil prices, right? Once they said they're going to stop the war, and like they announced the ceasefire, oil prices went down. All right. So what happened to the markets? They started celebrating and went to risky assets like stocks, indices, and so on. And that's when we saw gold start gaining momentum to the upside. But reality is, and I've been reading about oil tankers. That's interesting, guys. Listen to this. Now, oil tankers are like the size of maybe 4 soccer fields, okay? And they carry about 4 million barrels of oil, and they move very, very slow. You know how slow? Do you have any idea how slow they move?
No.
Like a bicycle.
Oh.
The speed of a bicycle. So imagine you need to bike all the way from the Middle East to China, and all the way from the Middle East to the US. So what happens there? The oil that we're receiving right now, that we have in our countries, in Europe, in the Middle East, and the US, in China, is not really the oil that's been shipped a couple of weeks ago. No, that's the oil that's been shipped 3 months ago.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
when did the oil flow stop? When did it really stop? It stopped like a month ago. So in 2-3 months' time, the whole world will be surprised, like, oh, we don't have any oil flowing into our countries, into our economies. So what will happen then? Oil prices will go up because the supply will not match demand, which will cause inflation to go up, which will cause unemployment to go up, which will force the Fed to keep interest rates higher to fight this inflation, which will eventually drive the USD higher and gold lower. So that's my technical and fundamental reasoning of this very optimistic trade on gold. That's it.
Pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
I could follow, and it makes sense, to be honest. So I didn't know about the speed.
Yeah.
I never thought about it, actually.
Yeah. It
It seems
moves.
impressive.
It moves at the speed of a bicycle. Imagine.
So what's the point when there's a problem in the petrol stations
Yeah.
and something happens and they increase the price the
Yeah.
very moment it happens? But
Yeah.
that
Because
price, you already
they're
paid that.
anticipating. They're anticipating. That's
Yeah.
it. It's not because the oil that they bought is more expensive. No,
Yeah.
it's because they're anticipating prices to go up, so they start what's it called? They start adjusting accordingly.
Wow.
Yeah, and gold is dropping again.
Is there any important news today? I didn't check. Maybe
We have
the
jobless claims as always at 4:30 Dubai time, so in 18 minutes.
18 minutes. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
let's take a look. What's happening here? Yeah, it's doing fine. We go to time frames. I think we can catch some good scalps today. I'm more inclined toward selling gold today, not buying, but only if I get a proper setup.
Great.
Yeah. What about you guys? What's your bias for this session? Let's say not the whole day.
I tried buying. It didn't work out either today. And I was selling yesterday and didn't work out either.
Work.
So I might stay out of the market for a few days and then I'll try again.
Okay. Fair
No,
enough.
no, that's not going to happen. I'm going to trade again if I see a nice setup,
If
either
you see,
buys or sells.
only if you see a nice setup.
Sure.
Of course. We're setting a good example for the traders watching.
Yeah.
Shishir is saying, and I am still standing at 3,800 safe. Great. We're the 3,800 army now.
Good.
Yeah, stopped in Feb, and later we feel the setbacks. Exactly. 30 days to reach from Gulf to India. Shishir, I think a little bit more than 30 days. Like India is the closest, if you want to compare it to the US, of course. But
30 days. Wow.
Yeah. And now Trump is pissed at China because they're storing oil in floaties in the ocean. So they have storages in the water, China. So he's pissed. Like, how come you're just like stocking oil? They just like it's war. Like it's okay for them to protect themselves.
Of course.
Yeah. So he's pissed. Like, no, you shouldn't have done that.
Saif, can you give me a brief on like what's happening with that? Because Iran said that they would be selling oil in yuan or like any other currency, even in Russian dollars, I guess. But can you tell me more about it? What like how it impacts the US dollar?
I didn't get the question. Can you just can you say that again?
Like Iran told that they would be say selling oil not even in dollars, they would be even selling in Chinese yuan. So
Okay.
is it true? Like, and how does it affect the market for the dollar?
They can sell oil with Bitcoin. That's okay, but the problem is now the U.S. is has imposed a blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. So they blocked the anything going in and outside of the Iranian ports. So Iran is not going to be able to sell any oil with any currency. So that's the main problem. That would actually cause a supply shock, even bigger than the one we saw since the beginning of the war. So what's happening now is that it's not a matter of they're selling oil with uh, Russian ruble or US dollars or Indian rupees. No, it's not that. It's that they're not allowed to sell. Any tanker that goes out of the Iranian ports is going to be targeted by the US. So that's a pressure card Trump is using to suffocate the Iranian economy, because the Iranian economy is very reliant on oil sales. Now, Iran exports or sells around 1.35 million barrels of oil every single day, which means almost how much? I think they make $13 billion a month selling oil. Now, those $13 billion are gone. So nothing, or they don't have any cash inflows to fund their war against the US. So that's the main tactic Trump is using. But the problem is with this tactic, it's very smart if you're only fighting Iran. But the problem with this tactic that he just shot himself in the foot, because everyone in the world needs this oil. If oil prices go up, he has no chance of winning the midterm elections, and he has no chance of. He might even get killed if that happens, because have you seen the headlines in the U.S.? People are going crazy over energy prices.
They are losing it, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
And with a good reason. They can't pay oil prices.
Yeah.
If they increase, they don't have the money. The majority of the people in the US or even in Europe are low class, so middle low income class. So higher prices means you can't pay for going to work. That's it. You can't use your car, and that's crazy. And
After 1
it is
month,
even worse in the US.
yeah, and after 1 month, by the way, uh, of the war, I mean, people started already switching to electric cars. Imagine, after 1 month. So that's how sensitive the American consumer is. And I get real information because my two brothers and sister live in the US, and they tell me all kinds of horrendous stuff. They're not the economy is not doing well. It's very inflated. Prices are very inflated, and they're feeling the pain every day.
Yeah, they're gonna suffer, honestly.
Yeah. Here, Meza is saying you mentioned on Monday that DXY will go to 97.6. Then you will sell gold USD. Yeah, that's another reason I forgot to tell you about, by the way. Yes, 97.6 on the dollar index is the 61.8 retracement on Fibonacci. So that's the golden ratio, or phi. So I was expecting once the DXY reaches 97.6 or zero point 0.8, I'm going to be looking for sells on gold, and that's what happened. Yeah, thank you, Meza, for reminding me. That's another reason. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Let's see what questions we have. Got call on Tuesday, so taking the week off. Good, Soham, good. Get well soon, my friend. Recently I engaged ships passed through Hormuz.
Shishir is asking the stop loss on this big sell.
It's 872. It's relatively very tight. Shishir, okay? It's very tight because I'm targeting 10,000 pips, and my stop loss is barely 400 pips. So yeah, but it's worth the try, right? If it breaks this,
Si necesitas el
breaks
cable, lo puedes conectar un rato, ¿eh? Que yo estoy al 100%. Me quitas el mío, conectas el tuyo.
gracias. I'll take it.
I just felt I watched like Money Heist for a few seconds.
La Casa de Papel, yeah.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Same vibe, huh? But also major buyers of Iranian. Yeah, Shishir is asking. Also, a major buyer of Iranian oil is China. Right, correct. He just bought. Isaac says he just bought cable, which is GBP/USD. Did you say 3,800 is on? Yeah, as long as we're closing below 4,900, then it's still a valid scenario. As today, sold market took reverse on my TP. What is stop loss price on the big sell? Understood. Consolidating. Great try. What is the lot size on this trade? Why? Why do you care to know what's the lot size on this trade? It's 0.5% of my account, which I will not tell you how much.
But I'm going to tell you, it's a 700K account. No, I'm making this up. I have no idea actually. But I'll let you know as soon as I know.
What's your sell target? 3,800. But that's just a wild try. Repeating.
But it might work. It's a good try.
Let's see what's happening here. I don't want this on this. How? 1 second. Visibility. I don't want it on minutes. No. Let me move freely. It's ugly here. Yeah. So you know what? We might be looking at a sell here. With stops here, TP around here. That's a 1 to 3. Yeah, I would take that. Please tell me I didn't miss it. Going back to scalping.
Going back, yeah, no, not today.
Not today.
Don't do it today or yesterday. Just wait.
I'm already in my swing trade, so I might just like play around with some scalps.
Yeah.
To waste the money I made on.
Why not?
I think this will play out like after NYC open.
It's not very far. It's like $6 away. I think it can happen even before that. Let's wait and see. Okay, so what about silver? Let's check silver. Silver moves like pretty much the same. What 2 hours? Who uses 2 hours? Okay, like one more thing I want you to look at technically is the divergences that we're getting here on the MACD. We're like seeing higher highs on price and lower highs on the indicator. Or oscillator. So yeah, let's wait and see. So far it looks good. 15 minutes, the same. So on silver, once we close below this area, which is 79.2, we'll see a big drop, I believe. Did it give me back my entry? 1 second. Yeah, almost. Let's go and waste the... no, come on. Every time I... Do you see what's happening, guys?
Yeah.
Every time I decide to hit sell, it just goes down before I even... That's bad luck.
Do not scalp.
Too late. Did you hear it?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Yeah, the stop loss is reasonable. No problem. What's the point of making money if you don't waste it?
Why not?
Right?
So you are selling already, right?
Yeah, I sold at 16.5. I'm getting stopped out, I think. And that's the TP. Let's wait and see. I should have waited to sell here, actually.
I'm waiting because I don't have any bias now. So.
Yeah. I'm more inclined to sell, actually, today.
So news in 4 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. Do you think I'm going to get stopped out before or after the news?
I'm not sure, actually. I would say you won't be stopped out. Where's your stop loss?
Here. 818.8.
I see sells, but I don't have any setup. But I would say sells.
Whoa, 1:1. One is.
Yeah. Look.
1 minute. I'm so scared of it.
Yeah.
1 minute is very dangerous.
Go on.
It's scary.
Go on.
Get ready for a drop.
Ready.
Below 11.
Yeah. That's what I'm wishing for. Answer take from the daily CRT on. Yeah, Rajdeep, you have a question?
What's your take from the daily CRT on XAG and XAU? The sales CRT. Yeah. I don't know. The 4 hour looks great for sales because on my chart I can see like a huge trend line which broke last week, and this week we are just consolidating on the retest, and that is why Safe trade can play out very well if like this goes on. And plus also, yeah, there's the daily CRT.
I like CRT now.
Yeah. So according to my strategy, it's 47.40. The target is the closest target.
How? What's your target again?
47.40.
Okay. 40. So yeah. What did I say? Was it like 4,750? That I said it's almost a guarantee that we're going there.
It's more of a kind of a guarantee, yes.
Yeah.
I've seen that your EMAs, they're also respecting the trend line. It's kind of the trend line, the EMAs.
Yeah. I think the news are released. They're positive for the dollar. We had the initial jobless claims at 207,000 jobless claims in comparison with 218,000, lower than the forecast of 213. So fewer people are claiming to be jobless, which means the Fed has more room to keep rates higher to fight the inflation that is going up. By the way, guys, today the CPI in Europe jumped to 2.6 after it was 1.9. So that's what I mean by the war pain. It's starting to materialize in major economies. Yeah, I'm moving my stop loss to break even here. 1 second. Yep, all good. Now either we make $12 or we make a lot more. Let's see.
30.
No, not 30. No.
Nice, it's hitting the level I marked. It's about to hit. Come on.
Yeah.
Don't be shy.
I'm almost out. Almost out. Come on. Look.
I'm the only guy that's left out right now.
That's what I hate about scalping. Like, look,
Yeah.
you're almost there, and then 1 minute candle changes everything.
That's the interesting part. That's very exciting and desperating sometimes.
Yeah. Asura is saying, I'm in buys from 4,812. Bro, I think you will make my stop loss hit.
No.
Hopefully not. I'm risk free now, so whatever happens, happens. I don't care. What is butterfly effect? Nice question. I think Rosa can tell us about the butterfly effect. No.
I mean, there's a pattern I call butterfly, but I don't think he means that because I've heard about butterfly before, and I know there's like an indicator or thing or something like that, but I have no idea.
That's the pattern, the butterfly. But no, I think what Meza is referring to is the butterfly effect. That when the butterfly like moves its wings, it creates some kind of energy somewhere in the world, and then the whole world changes after this one flop with the wings. So what happens in one place in the world might affect what's happening in another place. So what's happening in Iran, which is like a country in the Middle East, is causing not only a butterfly effect, a ripple effect everywhere else in the world. So that is.
That's for sure.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm out at break even. Imagine, I was like a few pips away from my TP. Good thing I placed my stop loss at break even. Yep, up. See, Atsura, you made my stop loss hit. Okay. If it goes back here to 21, I might try again.
Good. And I have nothing for now.
Yeah, I'm just playing around. Go up a little more. Come on.
Nothing, absolutely nothing. Sura, you are targeting Asia's high. Okay.
Which was what exactly? What was Asia's high? Was it 34?
Yeah, 38. It's 38.
Yeah, I'd love it to go to 38 actually.
Yeah, I'll also get in some orders.
Yep. So that's wow, that's a nice one. That's a 1 to 7. If it works, of course. Yeah. So 21. Yeah, 21. I'm in.
Down again?
Yeah, 20.6 is my stop loss. Is my entry, sorry. My stop loss is above the high at 23 point, let's say 4 or 5.
Okay.
Let's filter out some noise. Yeah, that's a great sell so far. 0.5. Okay. That's a 1 to almost 5.
Yep.
Yeah, it's doing well. I already got my 1 to 1. Once it closes lower, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even.
Let's go.
Give me 40 pips, I'll go out and then I'll go in again.
Yes.
10 more pips, come on. You can do it. Almost. Ah. Okay.
I still have a level at 4810.38.
What is it again?
4811, just to round up the number.
4811. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my level.
It's 50 pips. Come on, I want it to close. Wait. It's moving way too fast. Faster than me. So, okay. Come on. 5 more pips. No.
I'm feeling very left out right now.
Yeah, me too. It's like that's nothing.
Yeah, I'm at 50 pips. That's good.
Good.
Woo. I'm hot. I think I need to change. No, really, I have this in the office. This hoodie. The hoodie shirt is always at the office, so that I have a couple of them. So I keep changing with clean ones, of course. So today is hot and good. It's 25 maybe or 26. But I don't have any t-shirts that say trade. So I wore this one. But now I'm regretting it. Halfway through the live stream and I'm like, shit.
Yeah. For a good sweat, you only have to do scalp.
Yeah.
You scalp and you're sweating. You don't feel the cold anymore.
Exactly. I can be... No, I'm not going to say what I was going to say. Sometimes I forget that I'm on live stream. Saif is getting TP this time. I already closed. Mesa. Having 39. Wow, 39. Thank you, Samuel.
Good.
Asura is saying, don't sell, let my TP hit, guys. Yeah, as if I moved the market, yeah?
That was a fantastic trade.
Not an indicator, selling. Yeah, so let me go. Let me check GPJQY because you guys were talking to some. 1 second, let me check. What's happening here? Am I missing on something? That's 4 hours. That's 1 hour. By the way, I might be done for the day unless I get a very, very nice scalp setup. I'm happy with what I made today, to be honest. I'll be more happy if it keeps on dropping, because like I have that swing that I told you about. So what are you guys doing? You're longing or shorting? My TP is 215.8. So you're longing. Yeah, I'm with that.
Long.
Yeah, they're long. What is 1 second. What is this indicator name that you can check the formation candle? You mean the 4 hours here? This
Yeah.
one?
He means that.
This one, yeah. We stole that from, remember, Sai? The other trader, Sai.
Yes, you asked him.
Yeah, I asked him, and now everyone is asking me. Okay, so it's ICT, HTF, candles, Fadi. And then you play around with the settings to decide which candle you want, or how many candles you want to be shown. Did you get it, Samuel? Let me write it down for you. ICT, HTF, Fadi. Yeah.
Is it free? Is it free indicator?
Yes.
I think so, yeah. I don't remember if I paid. Almost at break even. Let's see what's happening with gold. 1 second. No, it's still good, Asura.
It's stuck there.
Yeah, it's stuck. This level is really important, huh? I think you should be placing your stop below here, because like that's a very strong area. What do you think? What do you guys think?
Yeah, likewise. Yeah, that's why I can't do absolutely anything. It's very, very strong.
Yeah.
And it's been like that since yesterday. Very similar level. Yeah. If you go back to yesterday, early in the morning, it's the same level. So it's a very, very strong level we're in.
I'm getting cooked, guys.
And you don't have anything else just to put on?
I do, but it's like I was on TV today, and like I have like a button shirt and the tie. I'm not going to wear that.
Well,
No.
only the shirt, not the tie.
Only the shirt?
Yeah, the shirt is fantastic. Yeah, why not?
You know what? Just wait a second, please.
Yes, of course. Just go for it. We don't
I
want
hope
you to die.
I hope it does turn off.
Yes, please turn it off.
I mean the camera.
Yeah, the camera, of course. Just in case. Maybe we ramp up with viewers if he doesn't turn the camera off, and then we can go prime time. Gold's literally dying. I can't absolutely do anything. Nothing. Is this cat your cat, Rajdeep?
Which one?
I'm listening to a cat. I think it's a
cat.
Yeah.
Yes. It's disturbing.
No, it's not disturbing. It's just a cat.
Oh, sorry. Let me change my battery. 1 second.
All right. I think it's the first day of the year that I don't have a trade to take. But within this market, there's nothing else I can do. I only can wait. Most important, after yesterday's loss, today's loss, I might wait for a few hours just to start trading again. And I'm also looking at NASDAQ. I'm selling on NASDAQ. I was buying this morning and I'm selling from, let me check, give you a number, 273. So 26,275, sorry. That's my NASDAQ entry on sales.
Abhishek, I want to change.
Okay, you see better.
Yeah, this is professional.
Yes.
I look like a servant. Sir, may I give you some water?
Yeah. Abhishek. Well, Saif, I'm going to tell you the truth. Saif went for a shower.
Yeah.
No, he changed his t-shirt. Shirt. It's not a t-shirt. It's a shirt. A professional shirt. And no, I'm not in my regular desk. This is this what you're saying. It's my kitchen because we are still ongoing with the refurbishment of the rest of the house.
Nice kitchen, by the way.
So this is my kitchen. If you want a coffee, this side there's a coffee machine there. So
Nice. I like your kitchen. Kitchen, by the way, my kitchen is my favorite room of the house.
that makes us soon.
Yeah,
Favorite part.
great. Because I really like any important thinking that I need to do, I do it in my kitchen. So it's not like kitchen to cook food; it cooks thoughts as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So I love the kitchen.
All my savings went to this kitchen. And that's honest.
Nice.
And the table
Worth it.
I'm sitting, it's amazing. So yeah, it's a very important part of the house. The most important, I would say, more than my desk.
Yeah. For me, like I do the deep thinking in my kitchen, not at my desk.
Mm-hmm.
And if you decide you want to drink something, you're in the kitchen already.
Yeah.
You want to eat something, you're also in the kitchen. So yeah.
I think Rajdeep is waiting. So
Yeah.
Samuel,
Samuel,
let
help
him in.
Rajdeep, please.
Samuel. Okay.
Yeah, he's back.
My cat is disturbing me. Sorry. It's going over all the electricals.
Your cat turned off the camera?
Yeah.
What happened? They do that. Yeah, really. Okay. So we have euro. Yeah. So guys, remember, and like for those of you who watched the Monday's live stream, we analyzed the whole market for the week. Remember when I told you I was expecting to see euro at 1.1820, and then we start looking for sells, and now it's happening. But one more thing I need to see before starting to short euro is I want to see an engulfing candle here. So if this closes anywhere below 1.1770 on any retracement tomorrow, I'm selling with stops above 1.1820. Okay. And the same goes for we drew this together on Monday. It was here and dropped all the way here, and now we're targeting this. So if the dollar goes to this area, it means that everything else against the US dollar will be dropping. Okay, so one more thing for I think Samuel is in GBP JPY shorts, right? Or longs. Be careful because it might drop anytime or any minute now. Like, don't hold it till tomorrow. Okay, as the JPY is going up. So yeah, JPY is getting weaker, so this could support your trade. Pretty good. USD is gaining strength at the expense of JPY. Okay. Kitchen is a place where you make food with love for your loved ones. Yes, correct. Euro will go strong. Why is that, Shishir? Give us your analysis. What is my view on NASDAQ? For now, it's bullish. until I see a technical a technical bearish sign. But I'm expecting to see like a disaster in the stock market, especially the American stock market, because people are way too optimistic about those markets. Abhishek says, I look like a bartender.
Yeah, I just
Fun fact, I used to be a bartender when I was younger. I did some bartending in the US, by the way.
Bartender. Well,
To the upside. Rajdeep, this one's for you. There's a 4-hour CRT on Euro and GBP to the upside.
yes. It is not closed yet. In 8 minutes.
So can you please tell us why closing is very important?
Like if it will close still like a bearish candle, there is like the accuracy decreases a lot. But if it closes as a bullish candle, it has greater accuracy.
Okay.
That's the only difference. Yeah.
Inflation will be forcing higher rates by ECB due to oil rates. Yeah, that's correct. But you want to see which one is going to be more impactful. Is it the interest rates on the USD or the interest rates on the euro? Because the euro is interest rates on the euro are way too lower than the interest rates on the dollar. So you want to look at it this way. So which economy is bigger? Is Europe's economy bigger than the US economy? No. So if inflation goes up in the US, the impact of that inflation in the US will be more impactful to everything else. So dollar will go up, and consequently the euro will go down. But that's just fundamental analysis. If you have any technical view, please share it with us. I smell coffee, and a good coffee. The guys outside are making coffee. Yep. So what else, guys? Gold is stuck again.
yep.
6 more minutes to go, and we have an hourly closure. Let's see.
Same thing happened yesterday with gold. A very boring session just because it didn't move, and it's behaving like yesterday, quite boring.
Nowadays, gold just moves during the first 2 hours of the whole week and then just consolidates.
Yes.
That's the case for most of Q2 and Q3. Go back 5 years, and you'll see the same behavior happen every second and third quarter of the year. Like, it only goes crazy at the beginning and the end of the year.
In the end, yeah. Saif, what's your view on Bitcoin?
My view on Bitcoin?
Yeah, right now. It has been pushing up lately.
It's stuck in an arrangement. Like, nothing changed. Like, honestly, like, we've been discussing Bitcoin for the past, I don't know, 2 months. It's still in this range. It's not moving up, it's not moving down, but it's showing some strength to the upside. But that doesn't mean anything, because it might just continue to drop to this area before continuing upwards. So I have a friend of mine who is, I don't know if he's watching or not, Yasser Tarawne. He's one of the big dogs in crypto trading in the region, not only in Jordan. He's currently in the UAE, and he's, I don't know, I think he's managing a couple of $1 billion in crypto funds. So he agrees with my analysis. I was discussing this with him, and he told me he's seeing 55, 58 ish on Bitcoin before the big bull run. So yeah, technically nothing changed. It's the exact same chart we've been seeing for the past 4 weeks. Gold is playing with my trade 2 times, paid by 5 pips, testing my patience. So your stop is at break even, Nasura, right?
Is my audio okay?
Yeah.
Okay, because I lost you for a few seconds.
Yeah, maybe that was a connection problem.
And has also stopped mining. Okay, don't I sell massively?
Look at NASDAQ, it's very, very bullish.
I've been selling NASDAQ. Well, I was buying this morning, and now I'm selling from, what's the price here? Just a sec, price.
Show you this.
445.88.
Remember this, guys? From last week?
Yes.
Remember when?
Wow.
Let me do it again. 1 second. Last week, when we were in the live stream, this was Thursday here. Someone asked me about NASDAQ, and then I said thank you. I didn't notice this trade until you told me about it. Like I wasn't looking at NASDAQ. So we said we have a bullish pennant here. Usually what it does is after it breaks, it replicates this flagpole, and it did. So the trade looked like this. I remember I entered somewhere around 830, yes. With stops here and TP 1000 pips later. Where is it? Here. Yeah. So this was the trade here.
Wow.
Yeah, I remember you said that the limit order was not like executed.
Yeah, but then like this was during Thursday, last Thursday. Look, where is Thursday here? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I saw this, right? So I had this entry here at 830, remember? At 50% of this engulfing candle. Let me zoom in. At 50% of this candle. So it did this, and then it started going up. It didn't catch my entry. Then this happened the hour after. It went all the way here, and then it shot up again.
Wow.
Yeah.
So sorry, Saif.
Yeah, sorry.
So a question. So in patterns like this one, like the pennant you said, do you pay attention to anything else, or you only pay attention to the pattern, to the price, and the candle formation?
Like obviously, I need that's a continuation pattern, right? So you need something to continue, which is the trend. So it has to be like trending up before. Like I need to see higher highs, higher lows before I execute based on this pattern. This is number one. Number two, it was almost above all major moving averages on this time frame, which is 1 hour. So that's another confirmation. And one more thing, it closed above this very important level, which was holding it from going up for a while now. If you look here, look, this was support, then it became a resistance, and then finally we closed above it. So any correction is just a retest to see if it's a breakout or a fake out. So since it closed above, that's a breakout. Any chance or any retracement to the downside is just a chance to enter a good trade.
Getting the trade, okay.
Yeah, and the reason why I love pennants so much, they work 80% of the time. They don't work all the time, obviously. But why I love them is simply because they give you very high risk reward, very very high risk reward. Like imagine like entering somewhere here with your stop here and your be all like all the way up.
Yeah.
So that's what I love about pennants and triangles as well. But pennants are like much more smaller than triangles, so the stop losses are much smaller as well.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So yeah, to answer who was asking about the Nasdaq Zohaib, yeah. To answer you, it's still bullish. Look at it. Like still making higher highs, higher lows, and it just made a new all-time high. So nothing more bullish than this. If you're looking to scalp Nasdaq, just go for buys. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we covered everything. According to my analysis, Surah is saying it should pump, but Trump decides something and it goes in the opposite direction. Correct. He does that. Yes, I remember this pattern. Great. Yeah, guys, I think I bored you with my chart, so I'm gonna stop sharing and someone else take over, please.
Can you take over? It's because of since I'm not on cable, my
Sure.
connection is not stable. Next week it'll be all right.
Yeah,
Okay, I'll just share my dashboard for the account that I told that I would start and trade with
I'm still
trading on
hot,
the
by the
live
way.
stream. I'll just share the dashboard so that everyone can see here. Do you guys remember I deposited
Yeah,
$150 last week? So this is the same account.
can you zoom in because like
Yes.
I can't see very well.
Mm, me either.
Is it possible to zoom in? Yeah,
Yeah.
now it's much better.
So I deposited around $200 last week. So I started with 150. I made a few profits. Then I deposited into trading, and the same account. I'm now sitting at 476. So it has been going great. I took a few drawdown as well, but it has been going great now.
Good.
Two trades. The USD JPY sale that we took during the last trip, it gave me almost like a lot of money for that amount. And during Wednesday, I took one gold buys, and since then I'm just waiting. And I'll also
Amazing.
like if I can take this to like out $1,000, I'll buy something from this amount, maybe a watch, and I'll do this live on the trading streams. I'll be trading on this account only.
Nice. That's 100% return in 1 week, man.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a lot
I got,
in percentage. Percentage
but I
wise,
haven't
it's
been risking
very
much. I risk around $25-$30 every trade, so it's been going great. I'll also open a few more accounts. So this will be for the live stream, and I'll add in two more like little bigger accounts, and I'll try to maybe swing trade on one account, live trade on the stream here, and scalp on another account. I'll try to diversify.
Very well done, my friend.
Yeah,
I still
and
have to ask about the leverage. It's 2000 always, so every single trade you took, it's been one
no,
2000.
no. When you're making profits, you will be getting more leverage, and when you're, let's say, you are losing a few trades and you are going into drawdown, the leverage will keep reducing it. So it's dynamic,
Okay. Okay.
but
Yeah.
yeah, it's
Okay.
enough leverage to risk like 2-3% every trade. It's enough leverage.
Good.
But the most important thing is that the dashboard is almost similar to funding pips. The equity curve, the calendar, almost everything is very exactly the same. So it's very good for people who are switching from funding pips. You will, because most of the times when people trade on prop firms, they feel like it isn't their own money. So you can just open a small account on trading on the side. Then you will understand that, yeah, you will have that, like, build that confidence on both the accounts. They have it that it is, even the prop firm amount capital is also your own capital.
And I understand, since it's a broker and not a prop firm, Trading, I mean, you can copy trade, you can hedge, you can do whatever you please
Yep.
with the account. I understand. Okay.
Can we use EAs on trading? I think we can use
Yeah,
EAs as well. No?
of course you
It's
can.
a broker. It should. I mean, it has nothing to do with prop firms. EAs are allowed. That was my first question a few months ago.
They are
So yeah,
allowed.
this is the progress.
Mesa is
And
asking, can Trading introduce white collar along black?
What is it?
what? No, I think it
So
has it. Light. I think it has the light team.
yes, I think you
Yeah,
can
there
change
is.
the
There
line.
is. I know this answer. Yes, there is.
Is
By
there
the
a
way,
light
guys,
team?
I sold gold again at the same price, 21.12, with the same stop loss, same everything. Targeting 807 this time. Let's see if it works.
Okay, I'll just switch to the charts.
812 is very, very strong. I want to see it break tonight.
Tonight? Oh.
Like, yeah, I want to see it. Like, I need to see it clear tonight because it's starting to make me nervous for the big trade, not this one, obviously. Now, 35 pips in profit. Give me another, 40 pips. I'm out. I'm not holding it anymore. Enough.
Good.
90 pips for today. How am I doing, Rosa? As a scalper?
Fantastic, better than me. So you're a great scalper.
You know what I'm doing? Like, I place a TP and then I close before the TP.
Yeah.
That's how, like, I can't get any more scalper than this.
Yes.
Close it,
That's
close it.
that's
It
called
made 40
impatience,
pips.
but that's fine.
No, actually, like, it made me 40 pips in a couple of candles, 1 minute candles. So a couple of minutes, 40 pips. Yeah, I'll take that. No problem.
For a scalper, 40 pips. Seriously, it's a lot. It's like 200 for someone else. So, I mean, if you are 0.0 lot, it's nothing. But if you count pips and not money, that's a lot in scalping. So it's funny when people laugh, like, I'm after 40 pips, and they laugh and say, but you didn't ask what's my risk.
Yeah.
So, so in and out, quick, money in the pocket, move on.
17. Let me check how much risk reward did I make on each one. Yeah, so this one I made 1 to 2. Okay, the last one, which I made 40 pips on, and the other one I closed here. So how much did I actually make? 1 to 2.4. So yeah, so 50 pips, 40 pips, and that's it. Well, I really want to see. I really want to see the 812 break. It's starting to look very, very strong to me.
Yeah, even 1 hour closed, great.
Yeah, can you go to 1 minute chart, Rajdeep? I want you to do something for me, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, zoom out. Yeah, and draw a trend line from the very bottom and connect the bottoms. Yeah, connect the bottoms. That's
Okay,
no,
I got it. Yes,
no,
yes,
go
yes.
down. No, go down, go down, go down. Yes, exactly. So that's what's making me nervous. That's why every time it hits the trend line, I'm out.
Oh yeah, it's been
Yeah, it's
we've been
like
around here like since 5:30.
ascending, you know, like the
2 hours.
bottoms are
Yeah.
like ascending. Warzone is asking, I feel nowadays gold is tricky for scalping. Do you agree? Of course, it's very tricky. The only reason I'm taking some scalp trades today and yesterday is because I made some like decent money on swings. So I'm like, I took, let's say 10%. I took a small chunk of that profit and I decided to risk it in scalping. But before, you guys know Rosa and Rajdeep, I stopped scalping long time ago because I wasn't actually feeling the market. It wasn't doing what I'm what's it called? What's the word for that? It's not doing what I'm predicting, or it's not doing what I'm forecasting. So I stayed on my or in my comfort zone, which is swing, until I like regained the comfort to scalp. But yeah, definitely scalping is very tricky these days. Can you
Yes,
share
and there's too much noise. You have to learn to clean
navigate?
that noise. Yeah, navigate through the noise, and it's so difficult. It's not easy at all.
Yeah,
Um,
I agree.
and you're against the world in the sense of what I said. You only expect a few pips and then you're out. And that's very difficult as a human being. Like it's 10 pips, but you always aim for 100, 200, whatever. And being comfortable, moving and going on with your life with 10, 15, 20 pips, it's so difficult mentally to handle because you always want more and more, and that's not going to happen scalping.
Abhishek and Pavan, I answered your question just now. Uh, Before reading it, we were talking about the exact same question that you're asking. Why market is so boring today? I don't know.
Same thing
It's
yesterday.
again taking support from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, again moved up. Yeah, I think this will continue since NYSE.
It might.
Yeah, we have 15 more minutes or like 17 more minutes. And we'll see. It feels so good to take profits and then see price do that. And it feels so bad to take profits and then see it go all the way to your
Yeah.
take profit.
So this 4-hour trend line, yeah, I think this is why like Safe trade is so great. This whole trend line has been going on since the beginning of March, and then we broke it, retested, and we're just consolidating.
Ooh.
So now we just need to see if it's going to break upwards or downwards.
Yeah,
And my bet is on downwards. Let's wait and see.
downwards, yes.
Okay. So what happened with your GJ, guys? Is it done? Samuel, where are you?
He took the money and flew away.
Yeah. You're spending the money, huh? No, he's laughing. I remember last year, April, and my thought April price for gold was very choppy. Yeah, it's always like this in the second and third quarters of the year. So, guys, like since like market is not moving very well, it's not giving us good opportunities. And for me, I'm done trading for today. I'm not going to trade anymore. Because that would be stupid if I take any more trades. I'm just gonna bluff the market and take the money home. So 15 minutes and we call it a day. What do you say?
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
agreed. Fantastic.
All right.
Yeah, it's doing nothing, so pretty boring.
Yeah,
Rosa
we
has
did
been
it.
saying that
Sorry, go ahead.
Rosa said that it is like first trading day with no trades this year.
Yeah, and that's right. I don't have a bias, but also it's because I took a loss yesterday. I took a loss today, and then when that happens, I always step back just for a second. But the market has behaving no movement whatsoever in a range. Yesterday live stream and today live stream. So I need volatility to jump in the market, either up or down. I don't mind, but some kind of movement. And it's like if you measure the candles, I've been doing that the whole session. If you measure the candles, they are pretty short, like a few pips. And I like to see when I see 60, 70 pips in 1 minute candle. So the market moves, but that's nothing. I measure volatility this way. Some people use indicators to measure volatility, and I count candles. So it's 30, 35, nothing to do with that market. And also the stochastics I use are like in between.
They're also ranging, yeah?
Yeah, they're also ranging. So there's nothing like,
No
so
extremes in the market.
I don't know what to do today. Nothing.
I think cook a nice meal and enjoy it.
Yeah, but I don't cook.
You're inspiring me today with your like background. I'm
Yeah.
definitely cooking something tonight.
Good. We are staying somewhere else, so we're not staying in my house. So we're staying in an apartment with the kids, so no cooking. We'll buy something again, and that's it.
Yeah, mom is a trader. She can buy.
That's what they ask every single day. Did you make any money today? Because we want to go to London. So, okay.
Yeah, yeah. My
And yes,
wife asked, "How much money did we make today?" I said, "Like we,
we.
nice, we."
Yeah. But yeah, it's a we. We all know that, but yeah.
Yeah.
So I keep saying my kids, yes, I had a fantastic day. And how much did you earn? And because they're 6 and 5, I say $1, $2, and they were amazingly happy with that numbers until the other day we went through a real estate shop, and the old one look at the price and say, "Is this 350,000 euros?" I say, "Yeah," and then he looked at me and he said, "You don't earn that much." I said, "Because $1 and $2 is not enough." Yeah, well, there's people better than me. So yeah, so
Yeah.
London trip it is in 3 weeks because I'm a trader. So
Yeah.
family wants that.
You can't be claiming something and no, come on, you're a trader. You need to make it happen.
Yeah, that's what
That's
we
the
do.
kind of pressure I don't like. Like
Yes.
people expect way too much,
Yes,
especially people
because
around you. I mean, like the close ones.
of course.
New car. No, I don't like the color. Oh, really? I'm cooking since 2011, and now the idea of buying gold is making me so angry today. It's making everyone angry, my friend.
Hmm.
Thanks for the knowledge. You're welcome, Shishir. You too.
Bye, Shashir. Nothing. And 10 minutes for New York Open.
Yeah, we'll wait for that, see the
Mm.
reaction. If we see anything impressive, then we might stick around a little longer. But if not, and I doubt we will see anything impressive.
I doubt it.
Yeah, if we do, if we don't see anything impressive, we'll just call it a day and wish you the best of luck on the rest of the week, which is tomorrow, and good luck on the next week. So, guys, what plans do you have for vacations this year other than London? Rajdeep, are you going anywhere?
I want to visit the Southeast nations, Southeast Asia, maybe Vietnam or like Bali.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, I've seen every trader visiting those places these days. So yes, maybe.
Yeah, but like it's a bit boring. If you like, don't go alone, man. Just like take
Yeah, yeah.
friends with you. Yeah, because like I have some friends who went on their own and they stayed on video calls with me. So yeah, they made my life worse. You can imagine.
I went alone for 6 months and it
Look,
was
look, I want you to
okay.
see this. I want you to see the greenery. Look, I
Yeah.
don't care, man. I'm not there. I don't care.
And I didn't video call anyone. I was happy on my own.
That's a different level of
Yeah.
introvert.
But it's a nice place to visit, yeah.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia, it's very nice in general. And very cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
the
Even for
only- the
India,
only
yes.
thing- Sorry.
Yes, it's very cheap. Even for like India,
Even
according
for
to like
India.
comparatively. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, how far is it from India?
I don't really know. It's maybe like 2-3 hours away.
I was about to say, yeah, 2 hours. Yeah, it's 2 hours away.
Very close to India.
Mhm.
Ah, okay. I was going to say that the only expensive thing in Bali and this part of the world is the flight tickets. But since you're this close, no, it's not even that.
It's around like $250-$300
Yeah, that's
for
nothing.
flight. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, like no, from here you need around 3,000 dinars, so it's almost 4,000 something dollars for a flight ticket. So that's and like it would take, I don't know, maybe 14 hours.
Ooh.
Yeah. Since it's 14 hours, so you have to go business or like something premium, so it costs even more. Because imagine being in economy for 14 hours. That would no.
That's what I do.
That's what you do? That's what
No, 14 hours, but 7 hours, yeah.
yeah, 7 hours might slide, but no, I'm not flying
When
economy.
I've been to New York or San Francisco, things like that, yeah, it's
I've
been.
paid my dues. In the past, I already flew enough economy, so خلاص.
Oh yeah, that's it.
No
When
need
we
to.
were young.
Yeah. When my lower back was able to handle.
Yeah.
Now, no.
A backpack.
Yeah.
Now I wear a trolley. Someone to carry the trolley.
Exactly.
Someone said to me, "Are you? How old are you?" And I say, I was about to answer and say, "No, don't tell me. Just tell me how far do you scroll down when you have to select your date of birth on a website?" And I said, like
How
10
many
times.
scrolls? Yeah.
And I said, like 10 times, and we were both laughing, but it's true. I think
Yeah.
there's nothing below my date.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
No, I do 9. I do 9. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. I do 9 scrolls. And like, you know what? Like year after year, when you're registering for something and you're choosing your year of birth, year after year, it gets more painful. Like
Yeah.
older, like this is like people like that were born in 2005 are like just sitting, or they're legal enough to register with this.
And they dare to talk to you. It's like,
Yeah.
but yeah, that was a good one.
4 more minutes, guys.
Yeah, but no movement.
Yeah. People watching, if you have any questions, you have 4 more minutes before we
Yeah.
fly off. What a range.
Yeah, I think it's just the silence before the storm. I think it will fall very heavily.
I hope.
Yeah.
I really hope so. I hope it doesn't go up.
Okay, let's see. Gold bleeding. When do you expect this falling? Like today, tomorrow, or
Maybe
Yeah,
it
today.
starts. Maybe it starts today and tomorrow, but like the real bleeding will happen, I think, somewhere between next week and the week after. I'm just like guessing. It's not nothing scientific here. Guessing based on experience, nothing more. So I don't have any metrics to rely on. Just what's that? That's the monthly.
Yeah, that's the monthly candle.
Nice.
oh,
So it's very like it can happen like the next 2 weeks, because it would be the last 2 weeks of this month.
What just happened?
okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Yo.
Something happened?
What just happened here?
Yes, no, I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know. I don't know.
yeah. You were saying, Rajdeep, please go ahead.
Yes,
Loco en
so
5 minutos.
on this monthly candle, we are still like near the open of the monthly candle. So it's very possible like in the next last 2 weeks, we'll be having more volume for the sales.
Yeah,
It's just like we've
I
just
expect that
retested
as
the.
well.
Mhm.
Let's
We've
see.
almost like retested this kind of an engulfing block.
Yeah, correct. Let's wait and see. So 2 minutes to go.
Yeah.
1 minute 20 seconds.
I won't be waiting for something special to happen. So,
Yeah, I'm not. No, I'm not very hopeful of something special. No.
oh my.
What's this high that you drew, Rajdeep? Is it 38?
Oh, which one?
The
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, it's
11.
38-ish. Yeah, yes.
yeah.
We've been in a 20 point range since NY Open.
Yeah. I think it's happening, guys. We are 15 seconds away.
Oh, what was that?
It wasn't me.
It was me.
Aha. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It wasn't anything by mistake, right?
No. It's the robot
Oh, okay.
taking trains.
Yeah, it broke 12. Come on. Finally. About time.
Come on.
It didn't even break 12. It hit 12. That's it.
Yeah, that and up again.
Yeah.
Oh, why is it?
Nothing.
Why is it so bad?
The same. It's just like traveling from one end of the range to the other.
Okay, I'm out of a few trades. Right.
You took any trade?
No, on futures. The robots took a few trades. I didn't. And
I think this 4812 is like, if we break below here, then only we can like plan something for sales.
So yeah, guys, nothing very special here.
yeah.
Rosa, do you have anything to add?
No,
Are you
no,
in
no.
any trades?
No,
Nothing?
no, not in CFDs. No, nothing.
Rajdeep, do you have anything to add? Anything more?
No, I'll just sit out today. Yes.
Yeah, me too. I'm calling it a day. I'm not trading anymore today.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rosa, for teaching me how to scalp. Like
Thank
inspiring
you.
me to learn scalping. I owe you $50
Yeah.
for this.
I'm gonna be rich.
Yeah. So thank you. You made a lot of money, so you deserve the $50. Anyway, thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something, even if it was just one thing. We try to become 1% better every day. So thank you very much for watching us. Hope to see you soon. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you, Rosa. Thank you, Rajdeep.
Thank you.
Take care of yourselves and
Thank
trade
you.
responsibly. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.